Do some fall or something.
Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's methamphetamine.
Go fast. Dakota.
Save him. Put him out of his misery.
He's already gone.
Oh no, he's there a little bit.
Put him back to his home.
Come on, Seth.
His wife can live on.
Yeah, me too. Hey, that's where I had the conversation with a really nice man on a bench.
Yeah.
Well, now you can have a conversation with a really nice water bottle on a bench.
That's
sounds
nice.
like a better sign.
And you're a resident fisherman. What kind of fish is it?
It's a carap.
Whoa. Oh, there he is, right there. It's right there. Right there.
Show
Seth, how do you feel about this fish?
79.5.
Benny, how do you feel about this fish?
37.
I give it 10.
If you did slide, have you just check like, oh, I'm sorry. It's slide if you could just, if you ever,
Seth!
yeah,
It's me!
it's you.
Sebastian!
But isn't that Sebastian?
No, that's your mom. She gained a few.
Oh, a few.
Also, she has bigger boobs now. We've already gone through this. Okay,
Yeah,
so
but here-
yeah, it's me, Sebastian. Oh, I
got, like, no
I
shirt.
shaved it and lost a few pounds, and yeah, overall I'm just kind of like
Didn't I
less.
just see you like on the top of that rock?
Oh, that was 5 years ago. The time has. It's been so long, my dude said. It's
It
been
takes
so
5-year-old
long.
water.
Yeah. Okay, so anyways, I've stopped making music and now my hobbies are snorting crack. Would you happen to have any?
Of course, why didn't you just
Ah,
ask?
thank you. Seth, it's me, Sebastian. I was wondering if you had.
How do you feel? Seth, hey, Seth, how do you feel about this place?
I think that if you had really a lot of
Talk
water,
louder.
if you had really a lot of water, you could probably fill the entire ocean.
That's a lake.
Yeah, it's the ocean. Story time. I almost died.
Look, it's a rock.
It is a rock.
Are you bombing Syria as we speak?
Yeah.
Dropped his water bottle.
Barely survived. This is the word of God.
Wait, where is it?
Get in.
Seth, like, lay on this rock. Then get it. Don't die. Actually, die though.
Come on, Meth, you can do it.
Go, Seth.
Meth, come on! No, you're just gonna knock it in. You have to lay down and get it.
Wait, Seth, here, use my keys.
Your keys? I'll
No,
throw
he's
them at
gonna
you.
drop them in the fucking.
I don't care, Seth. Use
I
them
don't
to
know
grab
what I
it.
This for us.
Use them to grab it with, like, the...
Come on, you got this, Meth. Alright, you know, I got this. Master.
Is that
I have become the crevice. Oh shit!
Is it gone now?
I killed it.
No!
And it's still there. You have to go.
I have to go for it. Oh no.
You can do it.
You can still grab her.
That spot.
Do it. I need to get
Wait, watch out for the bag too. Okay, I'll grab them both. I got you. Go, Bumblebee, go.
Oh, there it is.
Get it.
Where did you go,
Jonathan.
Seth, what are you gonna do if he actually gets it?
I would be forever in his debt.
Come back! Jameson! Oh, I got her.
You got her?
Yeah!
I am forever in your
I
debt,
like
man.
bruised myself multiple times.
Okay.
Yes, you've done it. You've done it, Betty.
Let me give you my jacket.
Let me give you my warm.
My fingers are too cold in my own jacket.
You just dropped it again.
That was a moment.
You just hear like a siren, but here, let's interview Seth really quick. With this really good audio, Seth, you're gonna have to scream.
Okay!
Alright, Seth, how was that experience?
Terrifying! Very riveting.
How do you feel about the outcome?
I feel very proud in my water bottle.
What do you feel about Benny?
I did this.
How do you feel about Benny?
I am forever in his debt.
Yes.
Would you, wait,
Would you pause? I'm not using this as my debt yet, but if I told you to, would you forgive Kanye?
That's a bit over the line
Okay,
there.
I'm sorry for asking.
what if you dropped your water in right now?
I'd jive for it.
Alright, so they left me. So now, it's just me walking. Probably gonna try and scare me. I wouldn't be too honest. But, alright, that's pretty good. Okay, is this it? There's a way in. Did I miss it? I don't think so. Oh, look at this. No. Take a picture of that. That's cool. Nice. Instagram.com/VUmber, by the way. Follow me on Instagram. Because that's where all my aesthetics go. And, you know, aesthetics are my favorite things. They make me happy. When the skies are gray. Alright. Here it is. The way out. Or in, I suppose. Depends on how you look at it. And as it seems, I've forgotten which way to go. So I'm just gonna go forward. Through all the grass. And all the ticks. Because that's what you want. My main goal in life is just to get Lyme's disease. I should probably cut that out. Let me re-say that. My main goal in life is to just get Lyme's disease. Yep. So I have no clue. The camera. There's the FBI building. Nice.
It's Benny, why'd you make it across the rocks fast? I'm like, 'cause you're fat and slow.
It's still the secret ISIS headquarters, though.
It says P in there. Benny, move! You're in the way of my shot.
It says P.
Yeah, I like it.
Wow. Thanks for the input, Sebastian.
You're welcome.
Are they making you run?
No, they thought that you couldn't stop in the middle of a narrow road.
Oh, yes, they're so helpful.
So they wanted to run to a place where you could actually pick us up.
Okay. That was considerate in their own way.
Sebastian.
Where'd it go?
It's going. Run to your family, doggo.
Where's the
Run.
dog?
Don't let the mean woman.
Oh, there's the
insult
dog.
you.
Look at him. Look at him go. She's gonna get him.
White woman.
Why are you following us, Copper?
Stop trying to make fetch a thing. It's not gonna happen.
You need to move, honey.
Margarine. Margarine.
Margarine,
Tortellini.
tortellini, linguine, fettuccine, zucchini, martini, spaghetti.
Wait, hold on. Wait, stand there really quick.
I don't want to. I don't
Close
want
your
to.
eye. Dude, your eyes like black and blue.
Yeah, because I got whipped in the face with a stick earlier today.
Now
Don't
for
swear
your
on my
commercial.
account.
Average water
Please
bottle.
don't swear on my account.
Oh, I see it now. It's time for the sauce.
Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Dr. Pepper. They can all sponsor me. I'm available. I prefer not to be recorded.
Please don't make sexual noises on my account. Oops.
Full time. Did someone say something?
I think there's Parmesan in here. This is my ass look.
How do you feel about this video? Seth, how do you feel about this video?
About 50, right? Maybe an half here.
Maybe enough?
Yeah.
Pretty good rating. Nice.
I will be cartoon for
Goodbye.
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 Bye.